and soil testing from Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, and other courses we are running on with our
What is the duration of each course?
duration maximum 3 months. Maximum. It depends on certain courses to courses.
So you provide one column.
Okay.
You also mention the course-wise duration also. So, course
the agency which is recognizing all these certificates.
Sir, yes.
Yeah.
is these courses all are recognized by your affiliating university?
Two courses, tally and soil testing, are recognized by SGBA Amravati University, and other courses by the parent trust.
Parent trust.
Yes.
So what will happen to their certificate if they go outside for job and etc.?
Yeah, some people have got the job from the tele soil testing.
No,
Because soil testing is the
Soil testing and tele is a recognized course by your country.
Yeah, definitely.
But students who are doing all other courses,
Environmental.
they will help in their self-employment.
Yeah, definitely.
Because they will not help for their job because it is not recognized elsewhere.
But
Out of nine courses, only 3 are recognized by the university.
two are recognized.
Only 2.
Only two are recognized by
Others are recognized by the parent trust.
parent trust.
And it helps in their skill development.
For example, this is the certificate course in Vyavaharik Marathi, that is functional Marathi. This is the regional language. So we teach them students to how to speak, how to face interview in Marathi language. Then it will help to regional local.
Okay. So what are the certificate courses? Is there any other diplomas? Are you offering any? No diploma.
Then what the fee you charge for the certificate courses?
No, we are not charging it.
It is free of
Actually, the university has prescribed to take from students 300 examination fee and 2000 total. But the students are from poor family, so we are not charging anyone.
for their additional help.
Sir.
Next.
These are our faculty member was on BOS at 13, 14, 14, 15 and 15, 16. Next. As stated earlier,
As on
courses.
today, the present number of
No, at presently no one is a BOS member.
No.
Then this is the average percent of students enrolled. Certificate program is 20.06%. This is the total number of students enrolled in the certificate programs, all including all courses.
It is dispatch program.
Percentage of what?
Admitted. No, this is last column. This one. No,
This is average.
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 We are having
Total students.
out of total students, how many students are admitted in certificate course?
20% is the average of 5 years.
Yeah.
In 13, 14, 30% opted for certificate course. In 20%, 14%, say 16, 17,
Yeah.
only 7% opted for that. And this
Out
is-
of the total students, 30% of students are opting the certificate.
Value-added courses, as it is, I told you that yoga and meditation, Vyavaharik Marathi, it means functional Marathi, soil testing and tally, then feedback system. We are having 4 type of feedback system: students, teacher, alumni, and parents. Next, this is the scenario of our enrollment.
Feedback.
We are having.
We want very particular. We want the complete report. That where your parents, how where your follow-up actions, alumni, teachers, or students. All
We are having all documents.
Documental evidence.
The feedback received from all, we have kept it in file. Then action taken and available in the available on website also. This is our student scenario. All students get admission as a more quota is available here in our institute. Now, thus, all the resource seats are filled because this is a backward area, and so the maximum students from SC, ST, OBC community are coming for admission. So, and general category students are reached.
Permanent faculty members total?
22.
Permanent support staff?
30.
13.
This is a different able student. Hardly a student is getting coming here for to take the education in our rural area. Per year only hardly one student is there. But we are having all facilities, giving ramp one and all etc. The project for historical tools, geographical tools, etc. Faculty are inviting for guest lectures, etc. Next. These are the pictures of student-centric methods we are using and going to the students, giving them knowledge through ICT and other things, and we are going to their homes, like students collecting surveys. Next. These are the few instruments we are having and methods we are using teaching, learning and evaluation method. Next. We are having this type of ICT tools in our college, LCD projector, OHP, then digital boards, and small other CD player, DVD player, multiplayer, etc. etc. Our faculty is having YouTube videos. Our faculty of members over there, they are having YouTube videos.
That will verify this.
Yes.
Yeah, that
Okay. Then we are the member of Enlist and Google. We are motivating the professors to use the Google Classroom and Google Charts. Next. This is the ICT used in institution photographs. Next. Ratio of mentor to mentee. Then academic stress related issues. Approximately we are giving the 55 students per lecture. Next. These are the snapshots. These are the snapshots of YouTube videos of our lecturers. Next. Average percent full-time teachers. At present, we are having the 86.29% full-time teachers are filled the post. But I would like to say that we are trying to fill the teaching and non-teaching post. Since many years in Maharashtra, there is ban on filling posts. So it is very difficult to fill the post. At 2015, the ban was.
Out of 28, 24 appointed now.
Yeah.
This is last year data. Last year, 17, 18. This year, 22. Who are retired? Then full-time teachers with PhD holders, 30.12% is the percentage of our PhD holders. Next, Veera Mandavar, last slide.
Out of 24,
But
how
you
many are the
take care of part-time teachers or guest teachers from your internal program.
number of PhD holders?
Presently none. One of member, Dr. Veera Mandavar, is having double PhD, history and Marathi. Next. Awards recognition. Our 4 faculty members have got the awards as mentioned here. And
Just a minute. So, the number of appeals,
this,
your SSR, you mentioned that PhD 7, MPhil 4.
sir,
11 is the PG holder.
up to 17, 18. So 2 members are retired.
And one more, yeah.
One is expired, one is retired.
And I'm asking you, in SSR, you mentioned PhD holders only 7. Now you mentioned that it is 9.
At this year.
This year PhD is
Yeah,
is awarded.
2 recently got our faculty members got PhD.
MPhil same as usual for.
Yeah.
As usual, nowadays no one is doing the MPhil. So in Maharashtra. Next. 4 faculty members have got awards this time. We have kept it on our website. BST Inspire Award, Certificate of Outstanding Contribution, Post Completion, Presentation Award this time. Next.
Certificate of just certificate of also having contribution in which of the awarding of it? किसने award दिया?
The second one is you mentioned that certificate of outstanding contribution in review.
Awarding also it.
What reviewing and who has given that award?
Private
organization. Awards it is very
Either a state award or government award or a city level award.
It is also incomplete. Reviewing. What reviewing? Contribution in reviewing things.
Research paper.
Reviewing research papers are the completion.
Only one is considerable, that is the first one. Okay, one government of India, not that is the research paper.
That is long back, 13, 14. Not at all.
Next. Continuous CI, as mentioned I have earlier, we are doing all this continuous internal assessment through trace seminars and etc.
What type of internal assessment you have?
We are doing through assignments, tests, regularly seminar, debates, discussion. Then
All
common
accounts
test.
will be there?
Yeah. It is in the department.
Sir, each department. We are taking one unit test and one common exam. In first
And
semester,
that is mandatory.
Yeah.
Because
Yes.
you are running the CBSE, that is not the kind of internal evaluation.
Other than
That
this-
is mandatory.
okay.
That is a part of the curriculum.
Yes.
If you are doing in addition to that, any internal evaluation, that will be.
In extracurricular activities, we are doing all these things. The pictures of we have got last year cultural event 2019 first award in Yavatmal. Next, mechanism.
What is the proportion of internal and university examination? How many marks you are conducting the internal assessment?
As per the
Is it 20, 20
criteria.
or 70, 30 like that? What is the proportion?
Yeah, as the semester is going on, it is introduced in the 16th, 17th.
Maybe.
Okay.
80-20 is the theory and
80
are
one is
internal.
external,
80-20.
internal,
But few subjects are having 70-30 pattern.
That's why I am asking here. So 20, 80 for some subjects and 70, 30 some.
Yes.
And some science subjects are different. Right here.
As per the university.
The requirement for passing out, whether they should pass separately in both internal and
Yeah.
Yes.
Or-
But there is two types of them. In science, they are having the combined passing, internal and arts and commerce. They are having separate passing. One back side. This is mechanism of internal assessment and then mechanism to deal the examination related grievances. We don't have any grievance case registered. Next. Institution has other CIE academic candidates followed and program outcomes are given in all our websites.
Available. We have searched your website, but we did not find your program outcome post outcome for not the program aspect. That is not displayed. We have searched. That is not on the website.
Verified.
That's
We
why
will show you
I.
on after subject we will show you that NAC there is a 2 or 3 columns NAC documents on this thing we have kept it. Program outcomes.
Something is going on in the wrong time on that particular, but I will.
But actually, these outcomes are uploaded on the website for the benefit of the students.
Yeah.
And it must be visible on the priority basis.
Yeah.
Because it has to be assessed by your students.
Yeah.
Before taking admission in the college and before opting for different subject,
Yeah.
what subject, what course I have to work. This is meant for that.
Yeah.
And if you have hidden somewhere,
No, that is not even.
It's not.
actually, if we cannot search, our students will search. We can ask any student, have you searched and have you gone through? Most probably none will answer in the answer.
You have to provide all
ये
these
इसीलिए दिया
details.
जाता है कि बच्चे आते हैं आपके एडमिशन लेने तो सोचेगा आप इकोनॉमिक्स लें कि पॉलिटिकल साइंस लें कि मराठी लें कि इंग्लिश लें तो वो कोर्स आउटकम देख के समझता है कि हमको इसमें एडमिशन लेना चाहिए तो ये अगर स्टूडेंट ही असेस नहीं कर पाएगा इट हैज नो यूज ऑफ कम्युनिटी इट इज जस्ट फॉर नेक्स्ट सेट
So you have to provide all these details to the student at the time of admission through the prospectus.
Yeah.
Are you issuing any prospectus?
Yes, we are issuing
In that
prospectus.
prospectus also you have to mention the
Okay.
course-wise outcomes.
Correct. Next year we will
The student will decide.
Yeah.
because actually it is for the students sake
Yeah.
Correct.
because at the time but they are in dilemma.
Yeah.
They consult their friends, the teacher, which subject should I go for,
Correct.
whatever. So this is mainly made for. Okay.
This is average pass percentage of the final year students is 29.32% last year percentage. Then
Just go back. What is the small? There are two histograms,
Yeah.
bar graphs.
Yeah.
For two different years or what is this?
See, PA.
Number of attended, number of pass.
number of attended, number of pass.
Students. Yeah.
Number of year.
Not like that, sir. We mentioned that.
Actually, what is the class of PA? There are two graphs.
Yes, correct. Here for 66. This first one is 66 students appeared for the exam. Pass 22. Small is passing percentage. And first one is enrolled.
number of appears.
Up here.
So that BA result is only 33%, BCom is very poor, 13 or 14%, BSc is.
And suddenly MCOM becomes 70%.
That's why I am asking. So your BCom result is very poor. How the MCom result is?
Why they good
The
student,
students coming,
take admission in-
MCom students are
Or
coming
retain us
that from
from
different
25.
colleges of neighboring good because near about 50 only in Yavatma there is a MCom. Otherwise,
Only
inside 100 kilometers there is no
yeah.
MCom facility.
Yeah.
The students are coming from outside and they are
Good students.
good
Yeah.
students. So their percentage is
Generally, it is a reverse trend. Everywhere,
Yeah.
BCom pass percentage will be generally it is much higher than the BA.
And you are MA only in Marathi, na?
MA in Marathi.
So it's the regional language.
Yeah.
So there should be pass percentage is very poor.
This was the first batch of our college. This is the first batch
And
student.
you also belong to the same.
First batch, first year, first batch, new syllabus, new semester
The
system.
first interior of the.
Semester system also introduced the first time and first batch, this is the percentage. We will increase definitely percentage now.
We will not go to syllabus also.
Yeah.
We have to just get syllabus.
Just we have to discuss it.
To increase this result,
Yeah.
so what type of measures you are taking?
Sir, yes, we are providing the notes, we are providing our all